Now this might be a problem. I just noticed that the park lights are on the T-Bird. I don't know how long those have been on for. Hopefully they like just turned on when I was in this earlier, but I think they did, so this should be okay to start up. Let's find out. Oh yeah, it's got enough battery. There we go. Okay, that scared me because the light switch in this thing is a little iffy. So you do have to make sure that the lights are actually off every time, because otherwise it's not going to be good. So yeah, no, luckily she started and that was all fine. So yay. That worried me when I saw the lights on. I'm like, oh shoot, 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 shoot. Yeah, she needs a bit of a bath, admittedly. Now, what am I hearing under the hood? Oh wait. That's the AC compressor coming on, which is weird because it wasn't on freaking AC. Why is the AC compressor turning on with that? Ah, electrical. Gotta love it.